What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here, and in this video today I actually want to do some training with you guys, and I want to talk about how you can actually create a four-figure sales funnel. And what I consider a four-figure sales funnel is a sales funnel that can actually generate you a minimum of $1,000 every single week. So there's a couple things that you need to have in place in order for this to happen, and I want to give you guys the information today in this video. It's going to be power packed with content, so guys, make sure you pay attention and go ahead and try to follow this blueprint. So guys, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notifications so that you don't miss any of these Make Money Online affiliate marketing videos. And without further ado, we're gonna get started right now. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into this video. And what we're going to be discussing today is how you can actually create a four-figure sales funnel, and that is a sales funnel that can generate you a minimum of at least $1,000 per day. So we're going to be walking you through the actual steps of what you need to have in place in order to make that possible. So when you look at a sales funnel, there's actually two different parts, right? So there's a front end sales funnel and then there's a back end sales funnel. So the front end sales funnel is basically going to be used to collect leads and get prospects. You're going to be giving away valuable information and content to build some trust and rapport. You're also going to be acquiring customers at this stage too. And then you're going to be maximizing revenue at the point of sale with some upsells. And you're going to be giving opportunity to generate recurring income, because that's an important factor, when you're doing online business. And those products in the front end of your funnel are going to be priced somewhere between $1 and $500. So it's kind of like the low end to kind of mid end or mid ticket products between those front end products and some of the upsells and recurring membership products that you can offer within that front end funnel. Now, the back end funnel is something that, everyone should have in place. And this is where a lot of online marketers, they skip this step. They do the front end stuff, and a lot of times they can make some sales, but a lot of times they may not be as profitable as they want to be. And one of the reasons is because they don't have a back end funnel. Now, in the back end funnel, you're going to have your customers really vested. They're going to be vested clients. They're going to be all in. And this is where you basically are going to be giving the best value, the best products, the best training. And this is where you can actually make the biggest profits. So you're going to be delivering the best results here. And these products are going to earn you commissions of $1,000 and up. Again, it's very important to have this back end, because you don't need a ton of these sales to make a significant amount of money online. So let's go ahead and look at the 5 different products and types of products that you should have in your actual sales funnel. Number one, you should have a free product. And we're going to go through these really quickly. A front end product, an upsell product, a membership product, and a high ticket product. So if you have those 5 different products within your funnel, you are doing good, and you just got to keep promoting that bad boy. So let's go ahead and jump into kind of explaining each one. So the front end product, again, it's going to be a low price product, somewhere probably between $5 and $50 for a price point. And then this is going to deliver real value. It's going to build some trust. It's going to establish you as an authority. It's going to be like that gateway to actually getting bigger commissions. So you definitely want to make sure that that front end offer over delivers in value for a cheap price. Then you have your upsell products, and this is going to give even more value. You're going to be maximizing profits at the point of sale. So the goal is basically just to make something easier, to save your customers some time or save them money, or just make something better, like make the process better. So for instance, if I was selling a course on YouTube, maybe the front end product would be, say, 20 bucks. But I could have an upsell within that product after they purchase the initial front end, and like give them like a toolkit that has all these templates for thumbnails and banners and logos that they can use on their YouTube channel so that everything is done for you. And that could be an upsell for $50. So it's basically saving them time and making it easier for them for something that they're going to need anyway. So the upsell actually just makes sense. So you always want to make sure that your upsell does make sense and also saves them time and frustration. Now, the membership product is very important in any sales funnel because it's all about recurring income streams when it comes to affiliate marketing. It's always good to make a sale or multiple sales, but when you can make one sale and get paid for that sale over and over and over and over again, you know, that's when you really have true passive income and true passive income freedom. And so everybody, I think, should have some sort of recurring component in their business, whether it's a membership site where people can get additional training, where they get additional services. It could be just as, you know, something as simple as ClickFunnels, where you're actually showing people how to use ClickFunnels and you're using it maybe within a system that you're already promoting and getting affiliate commission by having people sign up through a tool that they actually need to build their list and actually run their business. So this is something that everyone should have within their affiliate marketing portfolio. And just to kind of give you guys some examples of what a membership income could do for you. This is just some example numbers, but for instance, if you have a membership site for training, or you're selling a tool or software, something that's going to help them build their business, and you're getting a $47 a month commission. So at 50 members at $47 a month commission, that's $2,350 per month in residual income. So it's really not bad. That's $28,200 per year. And then if you have 200 members, this could be literally just amazing income at $9,400 per month. That's over a six-figure income if you could get 200 people, in a membership site or a product that is paying you recurring commissions. And even if it took you a year to put 200 members into a system that was paying you that recurring income, would that be worth it? Absolutely. Even at 50 members, guys, this, $2,300 is nothing to sneeze at. And when you think about, 50 members, when there's millions and millions of people in our market space, to get 50 people to sign up for something, it's not that far-fetched and definitely possible. So last but not least is your high ticket product. And these products are going to give you the ability to earn commissions of $1,000 plus in your sales funnel. So obviously these are going to be the most valuable offers that you're going to be offering as a solution to your customers. So a lot of times these high ticket commissions are going to be, products that give you like coaching offers, consulting offers, big done for you solutions, masterminds, live events. You don't have to make a ton of these sales to make a full-time income online. So what I wanted to do was actually just kind of recap what we went through and kind of put them in step-by-step fashion for you guys. So the system explained step-by-step. So step one, you would basically drive traffic to a high converting system using multiple traffic methods. So you could drive traffic to a squeeze page using ClickFunnels or lead pages, whatever you have to, collect emails. And you would use various different traffic generations, free or paid. And then a percentage of those visitors will opt in to get your free product, your lead magnet. And then a percentage of those leads will actually buy your front end product. Then in step four, a percentage of those customers will actually buy the upsells. And in step five, a percentage of those people will actually join in your membership site. And then in step six, a percentage of those customers will actually apply for a high ticket offer. And then a small percentage will actually go in and purchase that high end ticket offer. So if we actually put some numbers to this, I just want to kind of give you guys an example of some averages that you could expect. I can't say that it's exact, or I can't guarantee you anything, obviously, but I wanted to kind of show you guys some averages of what you could actually expect if you had this whole funnel put in place for yourself. So what you're seeing here on the screen now is basically the funnel that we just reviewed a second ago. And you have your free product, which is going to be your lead magnet. You have your front end product. You're going to have your upsell, your membership product, and your high ticket product. And we're going to say that we're going to be able to drive 1,000 quality visitors to this sales funnel on a weekly basis. So given some averages here, if we have 1,000 qualified targeted prospects to this funnel, how much money could we foreseeably make? So let's go ahead and assign some numbers to these products. So of course, the free product is going to be free. It's going to be building some trust and rapport. And then this front end product, we're going to say we're going to make a $20 commission. On the upsell, we're going to say we're going to make $100 commission. On the membership product, we're going to say our commission is going to be $47 per month. And then on the high ticket product, we're going to say we're going to generate $1,000 on that high ticket product. So if we drove 1,000 qualified visitors to this funnel, if you have an opt-in page that is converting at about 40%, you will get about 400 leads. And then out of that 400 leads, I gave you some averages here. I averaged that about 12 people would actually purchase the front end product. And then you would have, out of that 12, 5 people purchase the upsells. 2 of them will actually go ahead and get the monthly recurring membership product. And out of that 12, 1 person would actually go through and purchase the high ticket product. Imagine, guys, if you could drive 1,000 qualified visitors to a sales funnel that was set up like this, and you had all of these different products and price points within that funnel so that you can literally maximize all the revenue in one funnel. So what that would actually look like if we broke that down into numbers is you would have made, with this particular example, $1,834 in product sales, plus you would have added $94 in recurring monthly income that's going to be sent to you every single month as long as those people are paying that membership fee. So you can see, guys, that if you're able to set this up, if you're able to get a solid funnel in place, it could be extremely profitable. So if you're driving 1,000 visitors a week and you're making nearly $2,000 per week. It's life-changing money, and every week you're just rinsing and repeating, and you're just driving people to this first free product and putting people through this funnel. Obviously, there's a lot of steps that go in between, you know, having the high converting squeeze page and having follow-up messages and having the right products in the right order, of course. But I wanted to give you guys a good example of what it would look like from an income perspective if you had all these products in place. So this is all I have for this video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some value from it. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. And in the description, I'll actually have a link that will take you to some free training that will actually give you more in-depth training on what we kind of talked about today. And it's going to show you how you can actually generate a system, a sales funnel that will help you generate 1,000 plus per week. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. I will see you on the next one. Peace.